25,
Okay.
3, 20.
So 50.
And
Buck off.
what
20.
do you do? Yeah,
That'd
my
be-
ADD brain. Sorry.
That's
See,
okay.
all those
So
books are here for a reason.
That'd be 25 plus 20. My math is bad too. It's. Hi. Morning. DVD play.
That's about when I brought. I think it's when I brought one like that. Oh. But she tried hers and she was like,
She was here, I'd let her try it. So it's a gamble.
Gold key.
hey, we can get beads or. So now you filled up my little walking. I have the center for walking. Look, I just put I know.
Well, it's like the floor is lava. You gotta step on the right spots.
That's exactly right. You just have to have small feet now.
Yeah. Rudolph. Oops. This thing is cool. Pika plush. Briar.
Sorry.
New Balance. I'm making a bit of a pile. Is that okay? Mm-hmm. The horses. Yeah, probably.
Okay.
Thank you. I'll put it in there. You guys selling any video games?
I do not have a video game.
Okay.
Come on, dog. Let's go. I'm smelling everybody's dogs on me. Come on.
Oh. These cards. See if these are a good price. Could buy them for Carrie. Hey Tina, for you for Christmas, a luxury robe.
Oh.
All right, who's running this?
She's the runner.
I was curious on all this stuff. How much? Yeah.
Like 25?
25?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can do that.
can take the box too if you want.
Okay, thank you.
Or if you'd rather have a bag, I have a
20.
bag.
The box will be fine. 25. There
Cool.
you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you guys. Good luck with your sale.
Thank you.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome.
$2 each. And they're complete. Absolutely checked everyone.
Alright. Yes.
It's a full extra long, so it fits a full bed.
Will we go on the plane or not?
No. Well, sort of. It's,
If you stretch it.
well, it's long enough for a queen, but it's a little.
Which one?
Right
That one?
side. It says it can be anywhere else.
Pretty fancy. Can I just make a little pile here?
Sure,
Sure.
absolutely. Getting all the good toys.
Yeah, I like toys. My niece is obsessed with this show.
So,
really?
yeah, my
Yeah.
son was up until yesterday.
For Leah, Hannah, or Tina.
Okay. Yeah, no, that's great.
And
Thank you.
Marvel. Blockus. What is Blockus? All these little. I'm just buying a lot of toys. I don't know if it's really Brio.
And that's what.
These old Nerf balls. I don't know if they make them here.
But she's my daughter's tiny. I'm not really sure if she's ours, but she's a little big thing.
How much are, oh, it's
$1 piece, yep. A 2.
We make a deal, right?
We'll make a deal.
Deal or no deal?
Not yet, leaving them aside.
How do I look?
No. Take them, don't take them.
Alright. So what do you think on my pile here?
I don't know.
I think I'm done.
Alright. You're passing up the Brio?
Is that really Brio? I thought Brio was
Brio.
like train sets. I didn't know they made like little block
Nope,
things.
those are Brio. They're Fisher Price Brio.
Really?
And there's probably 2 sets in there. One
Okay.
is a Hot Wheels set,
Yeah.
and there's superheroes that go with it too.
I had just never seen them like that.
Yeah,
I guess I'll get it.
they're.
I might as well buy all the toys.
Yeah, I'm glad that they're going to the toy home.
Yeah.
Did you start with 10?
10. It's indoor, outdoor.
Should buy all your carpets.
Here, I'm gonna see.
Oh yeah, I'll hold that.
Okay, we got.
Well, it might be better.
30 for all of it? It's 37.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
That seems too late, Tina.
I know. Sneeze, you lose.
I'm sorry. I should have said, hey, look over here.
It's a little bigger.
Yeah, that one's like 10 by 7.
30. There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, see now, my niece is coming to town next week and she's gonna be like, I don't like that anymore.
That's what happens. That's what happens. We did my son's room all
Yeah.
around anime, and
Yeah.
then, but he's 16, so he's
Now
like, oh,
it's-
She's
Yeah.
13.
oh, she's
Yeah,
got
she's
some
still
time
got a couple years,
Yeah,
I
she's
think.
good.
Yeah.
Thank
There's
you.
3. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Like being into anime is like the emo of our days.
It is, yeah.
It really is.
Thank you.
You don't need any this whole garage.
These are great. These are great toys. Those
You have to
Playmobil.
go so they
Yeah.
can be like seen.
Okay.
Well, have fun with them.
All right, thank you guys.
Bye, guys.
Yeah.
Mhm.
and stuff like that, they might like that if they're kind into that kind of stuff. But I'm so sorry.
How do you know all the pieces?
They tell you, but they're not always, real.
Little girls.
Sometimes it works out. Yeah, maybe. How you doing?
Oh, good.
How much is your little camera?
I'll do 20 on it.
20. Uses SD card?
Say again. It's seal.
Yeah, sealed. Yeah. Beatles are at the end. Yeah, Guitar Hero. I get that.
I think she was more like
I mean, if the price is right. And Hero. If the price is right. Yeah. What is this? HFR 200. DIY steel sheets. These are interesting.
They're really cool.
It's like a
Yeah,
puzzle, kind of.
Yeah, it's like it's all metal. They come in like things. I tried actually putting together one. So I think I tried to put together the thing, but I don't have the eyesight for it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's. I mean, you have
Like
to.
really tiny.
It's small, and you
yeah.
have to really bend them back and everything. But it's an amazing set, and they look awesome when they're built.
Interesting.
Yeah.
How much are your video games?
$3.
$3 each.
Yeah.
What just fell?
How much
Is
did
it-
you pay you?
Oh, $50. So I don't know if you're familiar with this.
How much
Okay,
is
so you
it?
hang
Bumper
this one
cube
on one side of your wall
or
in the room,
cube?
and then the other room on the other side of the wall,
Oh,
you hang the butt crawling.
My daughter's been
How much?
asking for one.
$3 a piece.
Yes.
I think at that price, this one.
bands and everything.
One like it at
How much are you on coffee plates and stuff? $25. Comes with the band and the Fitbit itself. And it's gonna force the charger.
Oh, you know what? Will it fit her?
I don't know. Yeah. Exchange.
The kid arm? I didn't think about that.
Did you? Is this new? Oh no.
It is. We've never even opened it.
How much is that?
The printer and the case and the set altogether is
it's a little
is
printer.
20.
Okay, interesting. So this like prints. Huh.
That prints pictures from it.
Interesting.
And instructions are all on the web on the
Hmm.
printer because I don't know where the hell they were, but yeah, there's
Yeah.
a place for it, and I guess
Okay.
I never even opened it.
She's talking about the Fitbit.
Oh,
Yeah.
the Fitbit.
Yeah. it's
They
a
only
Fitbit.
make small and large bands, and shit, they were hers, and so they're all small.
Well, she's like a little kid.
She's 11.
Well,
She's 11.
Yes. So I don't
Oh,
know.
she'll do it.
So I don't know.
she
Might.
But
What was it,
I mean,
20?
They sell bands and stuff for it.
Is it 20 or 25?
I don't know if we can sell like kid size bands.
Yeah, that's what
But they're so adjustable. I mean,
I just don't know if that's it.
20.
And it comes with the band.
yes, it's 25
Okay.
free.
20. So 50.
And
Buck off.
what
20.
do you do? Yeah,
That'd
my
be-
ADD brain. Sorry.
That's
See,
okay,
all those
so
books are here for a reason.
That'd be 25 plus 20. My math is bad too. It's 45. 50, 46, 47, 48.
48. Let's go
Okay.
45.
45? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm like
And do you
tempted by
want the-
this.
It's Kill-Deal. We've never even opened this anything. It's
45.
selling for more on eBay without the printer.
Yeah.
It's definitely cool. This one's good for some.
I'm gonna buy that stuff. 45. Is that a
She
pizza
doesn't have
pillow
to
over there?
take that out of her,
20,
her thing.
45. I don't think I need the Polaroid cube thingy. Oh, but look at this Dory. That's cool. Is it actually? How much is Dory?
You know, I bought her because my friend calls me Dory because I'm so absent-minded. And I bought it for like $45.
Oh wow,
I'd be happy to take 5 for it.
$5.
It's a killer deal. The little stinking one that doesn't even look like her,
Alright.
but that's a Disney.
I'll give you 5 for it. It's cool.
Okay, so this is
Oh boy, I did it again, guys. I made a bad buy. It wasn't a terrible buy, but that camera, I comped it at the sale. I thought I was doing my due diligence, but sadly when I punched in that model number, it pulled up a much more expensive model number that's very similar, Vixia RF 800 or something like that, which sells for like 200 bucks. So I got excited and said, oh, she only wants 20. I can sell it for 200. This is an amazing flip. And I got all excited and I got in the car and I went to the next sale and I like just double checked it. And I realized soon after that it was only worth $30, which is basically what I paid. So yeah, definitely if you're comping out in the field, make sure you get the model number right on these electronics, because just one slight variation can totally wreck you like it wrecked me in today's video. A lot of smalls at the first sale, and I'm going to make some really decent money from it, a bunch of $20. I love buying scrapbooks, sealed scrapbooks. No one ever buys them, and I can pretty consistently get $15 to $30 for them depending on the brand. Now, mind you, if it's like a Walmart one that says $3, it's not going to be worth as much. But if you see these like names that sound fancy or Disney, you're probably in a good spot. I got those sports cards. I don't do much with sports cards. I sent them to my friend Carrie. He'll probably put them on his Whatnot auction. If you do want to get into Whatnot, guys, I always put my my link in the description below so that you can join Whatnot and save a little money on your first purchase. It's just an auction app on your phone. I'm still not convinced at that sale where I bought all the toys that all that stuff was really Brio. I can't find any Brio that looks like what I bought there, but she was convinced it was only $10. I'm sure I can take a few things out of there and get my 10 bucks back. Same with that Playmobil bag. Just a few of those characters I'll be able to get 10 bucks for. I already looked up a couple and found some worth 6 and some worth 4. So I'll probably do a big lot on the Playmobil and just see if I can get 40 to 50 bucks for it. Kind of easy to sell, one giant picture and it's done. And then I got a bunch of action figures, which I'll probably put through my Whatnot at some point to sell. Or I might put them on eBay. We'll try to decide later. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Comment down below with what your favorite find of the day was. Make sure you subscribe for more, turn on notifications, and we'll see you next time.